everyone to WAW Aftermath. Well, all right. I'm excited to be here. I'm Hall of Famer Shatso O'Bannigan.
I'm a future Hall of Famer, Buck the Ross.
That's right. He is a future Hall of Famer. I will not deny that. Eventually, sometime it'll happen.
Barry Ace.
But tonight, yes, sometime after Barry Ace. But tonight, Aftermath, we are going to see our WAW champion, Delilah Hayden, take on freaking Flax. Buck's not excited, but I'm excited about that.
Go for the cat. Yay! Animal cruelty.
And I'm sure we'll see more of the fallout of the Annihilation team captain draft last week. I mean, it just ended in a heated battle, but there you have it. I mean, we're still going to keep going here. We're going to still see what happens. They still have to face each other at Annihilation. Obviously, it's heated between both teams. I mean, who are you going for? Richie Mack or Thomas Andrew? Should I even ask?
What?
Should I even ask?
What?
Should I even ask?
What? Not Richie Mack.
Okay, there you have it. Well, why don't we get this show started? Why don't we take it to Henry?
Take it to Henry.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to WAW Aftermath.
Oh, that's better. That's way better.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming to the ring now for a few words from Lowell, Massachusetts. This is Eric Thorn.
This guy clearly became a new motivational speaker.
Last week I punched Carmine so hard in the mouth, he's scared to show up and face me one-on-one.
Well, is that why we're not seeing Carmine? I'm really happy about that.
Goddamn shame.
Once again, that I am going to be the top of the roster here in WAW. So I want to call out the top of the line here in WAW.
The biggest,
I'm
the
going to
baddest.
call out the best team in WAW. So I want to go one-on-one with Greedy Bones and then Frank Bones to prove to everyone here that I'm the best.
He's gonna fight both the CIA? Are you kidding
I want to
me?
take on CIA.
That's suicide.
Yeah, that is suicide, actually. Because, I mean, just Frank Bones alone. Oh.
That's not CIA.
That is not CIA at all.
But it's arguably the best. Here comes the chainsaw.
Wait, what?
What, you're asking the best competition you can get? Here he is! And the place explodes! That's chainsaw. You'll know it's chainsaw because he's got a chainsaw.
Saw.
Oh, man.
Looks like the Saw isn't family. Oh! It's getting on. It's on now.
She's ugly in a hurry. Ah! Chainsaw getting a drop on him. Chainsaw cutting up the competition. That's a literal rolling senton, chat. That's what it is. A rolling senton.
Not just a rolling senton, a couple of rolling sentons there.
Dual barrel.
Oh no,
wait a minute.
Eric Thorn fighting out of this. He's about to put him in a leg submission, and I guess Chainsaw needs a break now. He's getting the chainsaw. What is he doing with the chainsaw? That is a foreign object. What are you doing? Chainsaw showing his attitude.
Oh, man.
I can't believe he just hit him with that chainsaw.
You're supposed to hit him with the other end, kid.
He just hit him with that.
Winner of this opening contest, to this disqualification, Eric Thorn.
Well, Eric Thorn is victorious, but Chainsaw seems to be the one acting like he won already. Look at him.
We finally used that damn chainsaw.
I guess it's not as safe as we thought it was. Well, folks, we've got more action on the way. Stay with us.